Hello and thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is Reversed TV. I have exciting news. There's a relatively new reverse mortgage program out there that opens up the reverse mortgage to 58 and 59-year-olds. With that said, let's just go ahead and dive in. Now, first and foremost, there is only one investor or lender that is offering this program, and the company that I work for happens to be aligned with it. Before that, there were about 5 or 6 investors or lenders that did it for 60 and 61-year-olds. The typical point of entry is 62 for the FHA reverse mortgage. Now, with that said, pretty much any lender or broker that does reverse mortgages can align themselves with this program. Of course, they'd have to go through getting set up. But again, I'm aligned with all the ones that do the 60-year-old version, and of course the one, for now anyway, that does the 58 and 59-year-old version. I'm sure some of the other ones will basically update their program and sort of copycat them, but right now it's just the one. And if you are 58 or 59, you can check the description down below to get your free info kit. But here are some of the particulars with the program. So first and foremost, there is a minimum loan amount of $150,000, and what that means is that your home will have to be worth about $350,000 or $400,000 to qualify. And the reason being is because at age 58 and 59, what they'll lend is at anywhere from about 29 to 41% of your home's value. Now, on the other side of the spectrum, the maximum loan amount is $6 million. I mean, technically, it's written in the guidelines as $4 million, but we can ask for an exception and potentially go as high as $6 million. Now, as far as the property types, we can do this loan program on almost any property type. The only ones that we can't do it on is a cooperative and a manufactured home, but multi-unit property, 2, 3, 4 unit properties, single family homes, modular homes, condominiums, that are all eligible. Now, you might be wondering what the credit score requirement is. There isn't a hard, fast credit score requirement. With this program, the underwriter sort of looks at all the particulars. So if you've been making your housing payments on time, meaning your property taxes, your HOA, for the last 2 years, hopefully there wouldn't be any issues. But sometimes if there are credit issues, they take it on a case-by-case basis. But usually if you're making your housing and installment on time for the last 2 years, installments would be like car payments or even student loan payments, whereas revolving would be credit cards and stuff like that. Now, as far as where is this available? Is this available in the entire country or for the entire country? As of now, it's not, and I'm sure that this investor will add states all the time, but right now it's available in about 17 different states, so you can check the description down below for the particulars there, and also you can check out a link to one of my websites that gives a little bit more detail in terms of the program. And of course, I'd love to give you a free info kit if you want to find out more about this reverse mortgage program for 58 and 59-year-olds. With that said, thanks again for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share so we can get this out to as many people that may need or want a reverse mortgage, but they're only 60 or 59 or 58 at this point. Thanks. Take care.